How do you take it without breaking the thread? It's like a bag.
It broke.
Hi Tina. She's my BFF.
What?
I'm like exhausted making this one mask. Took us half a day. But ideally, if you're good at it, you can make it in like 10 minutes, is what Arjun says.
Yeah, so I got a fabric. Yes. So we're gonna make a mask. So next thing I'm gonna need is a chalk to draw on this. Not this thing. I need the chalk.
So Arjun just taught us how to make these cloth masks, and
Yes,
we're gonna
I
try
did.
and make it ourselves.
With this beautiful fabric.
It's from Kalyan Silks.
You're not freely promoting Kalyan Silks here.
Okay, it's not from Kalyan.
The best part of making your DIY mask is you can choose the fabric. Yay.
True. Is it plain? Next thing we need is a
Plate. So
Yes.
this is 10 inches. 10 inches? Is it 10 inches? According to like your face.
Catch.
Also, you need this avocado because energy.
Aesthetics.
Are you drawing on the plate?
No.
Okay, let's cut it.
And for your information, these two people are computer engineers.
Can people hear you? The audience here.
No, this is the circle.
It is a circle.
Yeah. All the different circles.
Yeah, it's covers Tina's face.
So then you take the circle,
I think I have a good
And
student in the class rather than you.
put it in half. So there becomes a semicircle, and then you fold it again, and it becomes a quadrant. And then you cut this side and this side, so it becomes 4 pieces. Cut.
Yes. How many masks do you want? Yes.
Doesn't he want kisses?
Oh, I wanted kisses. Thanks, Arjun. So guys, if you want kisses from Arjun,
Subscribe.
please subscribe to our channel. They're pretty great.
We're kind of
No,
promoting
no.
Hershey. We'll put his Instagram handle below.
Like there are two sides. One is positive and one is negative side. So we'll put the positive sides together.
And she's gonna stitch along this.
Along the curve.
Yeah.
So Tina, how's life? Easy.
So what you get is negative on both sides. So it's negative, negative. See. Now what you have to do is you have to stitch it from the 4 sides of it completely. And at the end you have to leave a small gap here so that you can pull out the thing from the inside.
We took the cloth from inside and we're pulling it out through that hole. Yay! Now we need to do the sides so we can put the elastic bands that goes around the ears. Okay.
So if you guys don't know Arjun yet, he's a fashion designer.
20 centimeters.
So he's going to do a lot more vlogs on how to stitch things.
So
that's 20. You want to cut it? You need to like thread the elastic to like a gap here on the edge. So I'll make a tiny fold first and then like a slightly bigger fold. So it's kind of like a tunnel. We have the steel wire which has a loop on one end.
it's like a big needle's eye. So you
Yeah.
can
അത് നമ്മൾ ഈ ടണലിൽ കൂടെ ഇടും. Put it through that so it comes on out to the other side. Through the loop, we put the elastic
Pull it fast.
and just pull.
Can I get some egg or something?
Yay, we're done!
Woo! And semia payasam to celebrate.
Let's try it.
Perfect!
So that was the way you just saw how to make a mask.
But we nailed it, I think, kind of. I mean, there are some imperfections, but like the lines aligned, which is pretty good, right? Thank you, Arjun, for teaching us how to make a mask. Yeah, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and
Bye-bye.
do everything you can.
Troll.
So we're gonna give this away, the mask, for free to some lucky viewers out there. So yeah.
So get some mask.
Bye.
Please
Bye,
like,
guys.
subscribe. Yes.